Today we are going to discuss about the most expected questions of RRBJ CBT1. These questions also can be expected in SSC CGL, SSC MTS, and any other competitive exams. The most expected questions and the previous year questions of RRBJ for CBT1 we are going to discuss today here. The concept is of powers, indices, and the sorts. Basically, in RRBJ 2024 CBT1 exam pattern, you can see that the maths contains a number of questions 30 and the marks also 30. And general intelligence and reasoning 25 questions, 25 marks. General awareness 15 questions, 15 marks. And general science 30 questions, 30 marks. So in our channel, we are going to discuss about all the types of questions. General science, you will get around 25 marks out of 30, definitely if you follow our channel. And mathematics, you can cover 30 out of 30 questions. No other chance. And general intelligence and reasoning also will cover 25 out of 25. So definitely you will qualify for the CBT1 of RRBJE 2024 notification. General awareness questions also will discuss in detail in the next session. And look at the first question for mathematics. Definitely you'll get one mark in today's session. So each video contains 1 mark question. So definitely if you watch 30 videos, 30 marks you'll get in mathematics. And general science, most expected topics and the MCQs we will discuss. And we have a separate video for the science also. So just follow the channel and then watch all the videos. Look at the question number 1, that is under root of 1 plus under root of 1 plus under root of 1 and so on. So it is equal to, so what is going equal to 1, lies between 0 and 1, lies between 1 and 2, is greater than 1. So whenever we'll get this type of questions, very easy to solve this type of questions. Now first assume that this is a value which is equal to x. So x is equal to under root of 1 plus under root of 1 plus under root of 1 and so on up to infinity. So it doesn't matter. So assume it as x. Now do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay. Once you do the squaring on both sides, it will be x square is equal to. So here, if you do the squaring on the whole term, so it will be a square root gets cancelled for the first one. So 1 plus again it will be under root of 1 plus under root of 1 plus and so on under root of 1 plus and so on. So we know that what we have assumed it as, it is x, is it right? So it will be like as x square is equal to 1 plus x. Now get all the terms one side. So then what will get x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now it is in the form of a quadratic equation, is it right? So we know that how to find the quadratic equation. By factorization method we can do, by factorization method, or by quadratic equation formula, by quadratic equation formula. Okay. Now by quadratic equation formula is x square, x values to find this minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. So here a is 1, b is minus 1, c is minus 1. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is also equal to minus 1. So here minus of minus 1 plus or minus under root of b square is minus 1 whole square minus 4 times 1 minus 1 upon 2 times of 1. So here minus of minus is plus 1 plus or minus under root of 1 square is 1 minus of minus plus 4 by 2. So it will be like what we can say 1 plus root 5 by 2 comma 1 minus root 5 by 2. Okay. So root 5 value is how much? Root 5 is around 2.236. Is it right? So the value is 1 plus 2.236 by 2. So here it will be less than minus less than 1. So it is we can remove it. Okay. Now consider only positive value because here all the plus symbols are there. So the answer will be, it will be equal to 3.236 by 2. So it is 1.618. So it is lying between 1 and 2. So option is 3 is the right answer. So whenever we are having this type of questions directly, you can say the answer for this question is lies between 1 and 2. Okay. Now look at the next question, very easy. Same type of question, root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus and so on. So same here we have to assume that x square is equal to 2 plus x. Is it right? Directly. So squaring on both sides, so we will get the same. So x square minus 2 minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So here by factorization method also we can do this. Factorization method is coefficient of x square into constant term is minus 2. So 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. The factors of minus 2 is 2 times 1. So minus 2 into 1. Okay. Minus 2 into 1 or minus 1 into x. Both we can do. So here finally we should get the sum is equal to minus 1 here. So minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay. So we are getting the minus 1, that is the coefficient of x. So factors are minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay. So directly without doing this quadratic equation, without solving this quadratic equation, we can say the answer. Whenever we are getting the factors minus 2 comma minus 1, minus 2 comma 1, interchange their signs. So the factors are 2 comma minus 1. So value is in terms of plus here. So definitely we won't get the minus value. So answer is plus 2. So answer is for this question is 2 only. Even though after simplifying this quadratic equation also you will get the same answer. Okay. So is it clear? Let me explain the quadratic equation. X square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So here take x common, x into x minus 2, and here plus take 1 common, x minus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 2 times x minus 1, x plus 1 equal to 0. So here x is equal to 2 comma x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is not possible. So answer is 2. So right answer is option 3. So whenever you are having root 1 plus and so on, the answer is between 1 and 2. And whenever you have root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 and so on, the answer is root 2 only. Okay, look at the next question. Root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 and so on. Whenever we are having this type of questions, very easy without using quadratic equation also we can do, but the quadratic equation definitely will get x square minus x and equal minus 12 equal to 0. Is it right? So definitely this is the quadratic equation, x square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. So here the direct trick, let me teach you the first trick and then we will go with the what we can say the quadratic equation method. Okay, so always keep it in mind. Whenever this type of questions will get, simply what we can do the write the factors of 12. That is 2 times of 3 is not possible. 6 times 2 or 2 times 6, 3 times 4, 4 times 3. So always remember to write in terms of two immediate consecutive numbers. So these are not immediate consecutive numbers. So these are the immediate consecutive numbers. And among these two, whichever the largest number, that is the right answer. So 3 times 4 is 12. So the answer is 4. Okay. So consecutive immediate numbers. Okay, so answer is 4. We'll check with whether the option is 4 is right or not. Option means answer 4 is right or not. So here the factors for this quadratic equation is simply what we can say. Here it is the product of coefficient of x square and the minus c. That is coefficient of constant term is minus 12. So the factors of minus 12 is 3 into minus 4, 4 into minus 3, and 6 times minus 2, 2 times minus 6. Among these all, which one is giving sum is equal to minus 1? So here 3 minus 4 is minus 1, 4 minus 3 is plus 1, 6 minus 2 is 4, and 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Among these four, which one is satisfying this condition? The coefficient of x is equal to b should be equal to minus 1, we should get. So here option is 1, which is satisfying both the condition. So here x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 equal to 0. Is it right? So here take x common, x into x minus 4, and you can take 1 common, 3 common. So here 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So here x minus 4 and x plus 3 equal to 0. So once x minus 4 equal to 0 means x equal to 4, and x plus 3 equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 3. So we will not consider negative value because all positive are there. So the right answer is 4 only. Is it clear? Now tell me the answer by based on the previous type of question. Very without using quadratic equation, simply factors of 6. 6 factors. 1 times 6, 6 times 1, 2 times 3, 3 times 2. So here consecutive immediate numbers, consecutive numbers. These two are possible, but we should not go in decreasing order. We should go in increasing order. So answer is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Answer is 3. Directly we can see. Answer is 3. You want to check with the quadratic equation method means x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So here coefficient of x square and the constant term is minus 6. So factors of minus 6 is 2 into minus 3 equal to minus 6, and 3 into minus 2 is also equal to minus 6, and here 1 into 6, 1 minus 1 into 6, 6 into minus 1, minus 1 minus 6 into 1. So here which is giving sum is equal to minus 1 for this all the condition is here. Sum is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1, here 1, here 5, here minus 5. So among these 4 which is satisfying this only, it gives b is equal to minus 1. Okay, so this is which is satisfying the condition. So here 2 into minus 3 factors are 2 comma minus 3. Okay, so x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So here x you can take common, x plus 2. Here we can take minus 3 common, x plus 2 equal to 0. So x plus 2 times x minus 3 equal to 0. So here x is equal to minus 2 comma x is equal to 3. So minus 2 will not consider because all the values are in terms of positive terms only. So here the answer is plus 3. Is it clear? Now this is a very tricky question again. Say same assume that x is equal to. So what will get x is equal to root 3 into root 3 into root 3 and so on. So if you do squaring on both sides, what will get x square is equal to 3 times again root 3 into root 3 into root 3 and so on. So x square is equal to 3x. Is it right? Then x square minus 3x is equal to 0. So factors are you can take x common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So we will not consider 0 because all are positive number. So here it is not possible. The answer is 3 only. So whenever you are having this type of question, directly you can say the answer is same. So answer is 3 for this question. Option 2. Is it clear? Find the value of yeah, the same type of question which we have discussed in the previous question number 3 or 4. Simply without using any formula or all. So simply find the factors of 30. It gives immediate consecutive numbers. 3 times 10, 10 times 3, 5 times 6, 6 times 5. Any other possibilities? 1 times 30, 30 times 1. So here, which are immediate consecutive numbers? 5 comma 6 is there, 6 comma 5 is there. So we will follow this 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So which one is the highest one? 6 is the highest one. So answer is 6. If you want to check with quadratic equation, you can look at here. X square minus x minus 30 equal to 0. So here factors of this one, quotient of x square into constant term is minus 30. Factors of this is 5 into minus 6 is equal to, and 6 into minus 5 equal to, and 3 into minus 10 equal to 10 into minus 3 equal to, or 1 into minus 30 equal to, or 30 into minus 1 equal to, because we should get minus value at d here. So 5 6 times minus 30, so you all are giving minus 30 only, but our condition is to get b value. Sum is equal to, sum should be equal to b. What is the value of b here? Minus 1. So which one is giving minus 1? 3 into minus 1, 30 minus 1 is 29. Here it is minus 29. Here it is 10 minus 3 is 7. Here it is minus 7. 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So it is satisfying this one only. Okay. So always remember. So x square minus x square plus 5x minus 6x plus minus 30 equal to 0. So you can take x common, x into x plus 5. You can take minus 6 common here. X plus 5 equal to 0. So x plus 5 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So here x is equal to minus 5 comma x is equal to 6. So minus 5 we won't consider because all are positive values. So we'll consider only first plus. That is answer is 6 only. Is it right? Now here the another type of question. Okay. Here is also very interesting. You can do the same squaring on both sides. So x square is equal to. So here root 2 is there. So 2 times of and so on. Okay. So cube root of 4 and again under root of 2 and again cube root of 4 and so on is given. Is it right? So simply what we can do here, this is simply write it as x power squaring on both sides. You can do this. Okay. Now do on cubing on both sides again. Why? Because here we need to remove this cube. So cubing on both sides. So x square whole cube and here 2 cube into this cube will goes here into 4. Okay, and then again we'll get here a root 2 into cube root of 4 and so on. So again it is like a x, is it right? So this is x is equal to, so again we are getting in terms of x here. So the answer, question quadratic equation will be x power 6 is equal to 2 cube is 8 into here it is 4x, is it right? So 8 into 4x is 8 2 times 8 4s are, so it will be x power 6 is equal to 32x. So we can cancel x here. So x power 5 is equal to 32. Is it right? So 32 is in terms of 2, like in terms of 2 power 4, 2 power. So 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times, and 2 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So it is equal to 2 power 5 equal to 32. So is it right? So x power 5 is equal to 2 power 5. So power gets cancelled. So x is equal to 2. So answer for this question is again 2 only. Is it clear? Very easy. So without wasting time, we can say that answer directly if we know the tricks. Now the same type of question is given here, but instead of 6, instead of 12, instead of 2, here it is given and two values m and n. Okay. Whenever we are having two values, simply remember here. So m is plus 5, plus 5, plus 5 under root. N is minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, and so on under root is given. So what is the value? Then the among the following the relation between m and n holds is, which of the following is satisfying here? Okay. So simply we know that for the second one, find the quadratic equation. Okay. So n square is equal to, we know that 5 minus n, is it right? So simply get on other side. So n square plus n is equal to 5. Is it right? For the second one. At the same time, for the first one, what we can say? M square is equal to 5 minus 5 plus n. Here what we can say? This is 5 plus m. So you just get this m on the other side. So m square minus m is equal to 5. So simply we are assuming that this is m is equal to, and squaring on both sides. So here you can see that both are having equal to 5. So what we can say, n square minus n square plus n is equal to m square minus n. Is it right? So if you do this, send the square terms one side and the normal terms one side. So n square, if you send that side, so m square minus n square is equal to m plus n. Okay. And here it will be a square minus b square is equal to, is it right? What we can say, a plus b into a minus b, m plus n into m minus n. So on the other side, what we are having, m plus n. So gets cancelled. So m minus n is equal to 1. So simply m minus n minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So the answer is simply what we can say, option 4 is the right answer, m minus n minus 1. Okay, clear? Very easy question. Now here root 72, root 72, root 72 is given. Without solving this equation, we can say find the factors of 72, which gives immediate numbers, two consecutive numbers. So what are the factors of 72, which gives immediate consecutive numbers is 8, 9 times. 8 9 is how much? 72. So answer is 9 is the right answer. If you want to try, you can solve this equation by x square minus x minus 72 equal to 0. So if you simplify this equation also, you'll get the same answer. Okay. Now this is another type of question. Here we need to solve this. Okay. So here, just look at here, everything is given. Simply simplify the bottom one first. So the answer of this one is cube root of 8 is also nothing but cube root of 2 cube. So cube gets cancelled. So cube root is nothing but 2 cube whole power 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. So it is 2. The denominator value is 2. Okay. Now look at the numerator value. So root 225 is 15. Root 225 is how much? 15. So 15 plus 154 is how much? 169. So simply root 154 plus 15. So 15 is nothing but the root 25. So it is 169. 169 root is 13. Okay, in place of this, in place of whole term, what we can write? 13. So 108 plus 13 is how much? 108 plus 13 is 121. So up to here it is 121. 121 root 121. Root 121 is equal to 11. So up to here it is 25 plus 11 is how much? 25 plus 11 is 36. So up to here it is 36. Okay, the root 36 value is 6. So root 10 plus 6 is root 16. Root 16 by 2 here we are having in the denominator. Root 16 is 4. 4 by 2, answer is 2 again. Okay, so simply substitute the values of root, square roots. So answer is 2. Okay, next question. Again, the question gets repeated here. Root 6 plus root 6 plus up to infinity. Simply 2 3s are 6. So answer is 3 without wasting time. Okay. Again, the question gets repeated here. Root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 and so on up to infinity. So 12 factors. 5, 3, 4 times. 3 times 4. So answer is 4 for this question. Okay. And again here 10 plus root 5 plus again same question gets repeated here. So root 25 is root 225 is 15. So under root 154 plus 15. So that equal to root 169. 169 is 13. So here again under root 108 plus 13. So it is under root 121. 121 is 11. So under root 25 plus 11 that equal to root 36. That equal to 6. So root 10 plus 6 that equal to 16. Root 16 is 4. So answer is 4 for this question. Is it clear? Now this is one type of question. Okay, very interesting. Here again, look at here. Simplify from the end. So here, what we can say instead of 4, we can write it as 2 into 2. Simply if you write it as 2 into 2, what will get? 2 root 3 is there. Again here, what we can say the cube of 2 cube is there. Is it right? Simply if we simplify this question continuously, finally what will get this equation as under root of minus root 3 and plus under root of 3 plus 8 root 7 plus 4 root 3 and so on. Is it right? So here root 3 is given separate. So simplify this. That equal to simplify only this term under root of 7 plus 2 into 2 root 3. Is it right? 7 plus 2 into 2 root 3. This is 8 root 7. Is it right? So here 7 also can be written as simply 4 plus 3. Is it right? So 8 into under root of 4 plus 3 plus 2 into 2 root 3. Is it right? So here one more we can do here. Instead of 4, what we can write? 2 square. Is it right? And for this 8 into under root of 2 square it is root 3 whole square plus 2 square root 3. So here it is looking like a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 2. 2ab. Is it right? So this whole term what we can say a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Here a is 2 plus b is root 3 whole square. Is it right? So simply what we can say this is 8 under root of 2 plus root 3 whole square. So square root gets cancelled. Is it right? So simply what will get? 8 into 2 plus root 3. Is it right? Now simply continue the same process till the end. Finally what will get? The answer will be root 4 is equal to 2. Continue the same process till the end. Okay. So final equation you will get in terms of under root of minus root 3 plus under root of 4 plus root 3 whole square. Square root is cancelled. So here under root of minus root 3 plus 4 and plus root 3. So plus root 3 minus root 3 gets cancelled. Root 4 is equal to 2. So answer is 2 here. Okay. The value of 9 under root 9 plus 2 root 16 plus cube root of 512. So simply cube root of 512 is how much? 512 is equal to how much? Simply answer is 8 cube. Is it right? So 8 it is. 8 cube we can say. Cube root of 8 cube. So here answer is 8 for this. So and 2 into root 16. Root 16 is 4. 2 4 the 8 under root of 9 plus that is 8 plus 8. So here 16 plus 9 25 root 25 is equal to answer is 5. Is it clear? So we have discussed so far 15 questions in this session, and please watch the video and subscribe to this channel to get more videos. Thank you.